In this video, I'm going to show you how you can temporarily deactivate WhatsApp account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and unfortunately guys, WhatsApp does not allow us to deactivate our account. However, we can use our phone settings to kind of take a break from WhatsApp. I recommend you to go into settings, and then we can scroll down until we find WhatsApp. Here it is. And then first off, we can get into notifications, and if we just want to temporarily deactivate WhatsApp, we can just turn off notifications. We can just tap at that switcher to turn them off, and that will stop all the notifications from our WhatsApp app. And also in here we can turn off cellular data. If we tap at that switcher, will not allow WhatsApp to use cellular data, and that will limit WhatsApp application so it can't use cellular data to get or send messages. In this way we can temporarily deactivate WhatsApp account.